I think soon Gautam Adani might become India's richest as well as world's richest man. So he recently overtook Jeff Bezos, the owner of Amazon, and became the second richest person in the world. Only one person is above him now, Elon Musk of Tesla fame, who recently was embroiled in a controversy surrounding the acquisition of Twitter. Now, what is Gautam Adani and this entire story surrounding the debt, the soaring valuations? Very interesting thing. So, Gautam Adani is someone who has been a self made billionaire. Now, one of the reasons why Gautam Adani keeps moving up the ladder in terms of the world's richest man is that this year S&P 500 as well as Nasdaq have been down. So for example, S&P 500 is down 19% while Indian stocks have kept up moving. And especially the Adani pack. They kind of are like super multi-baggers. Think of it, Adani Enterprises has moved up 27 times since COVID and 2 times in the last 6 months itself. What is the price to earnings ratio for Adani Enterprises? 474 times. So it is going to take 474 times of current earnings to compensate for the share price of Adani Enterprises. So Mr. Gautam Adani owns 75% of Adani Enterprises. Look at Adani Green Energy. It trades at 753 ka PE. Adani Wilmar at 114 ka PE. And transmission at 424 PE, power at 31 PE, which is okay because Tata Power is also on similar lines. Ports is also at 38 PE. Their total gas business is at trading at 763 ka PE. This kind of growth may or may not be sustainable. So that's number one. So this success story of Gautam Adani in terms of where he started with ports, he built India's first largest private sector port in Mundra in 1995, and then commodity trading. So they've cut their teeth in commodity trading and made their money there, coal trading, etc. Later they ventured into coal mining, and I was part of a company which used to compete with Adani for the coal mining projects. So I know they are very, very aggressive in their growth strategies. Edible oil, Adani Wilmar, airports, news media recently, NDTV, then cement, they took over this entire Lafarge Holcim, data centers, so name it and they are there. And the other concern around the Adani growth story is their debt. So Fitch Group's credit sites had published a report which recently raised a lot of concerns in social media as well, that there is so much of debt in Adani. And then Adani, after 2 weeks, shot a letter in retaliation, and then credit sites corrected their report and said, oh, we wrongly calculated the debt numbers in this company, we wrongly calculated EBITDA numbers in this company. So this is the kind of controversy that is surrounding there. So think of a debt of 1.61 trillion rupees. So huge quantum, 1610 billion rupees, which is something like how much? 1,61,000 crores of debt or something like that. So the whole point is that will Adani soon become the world's largest and the richest shareholder in terms of the whole thing, because he is now at 147. Elon Musk is at 264. So let's say if US tech stocks keep falling and Indian tech stocks keep moving up. So now this is one very interesting thing that has happened about the Indian stock market. We are now decoupled from the world economy. Earlier, if in the Nasdaq or Dow Jones they used to sneeze, we used to fall sick, 102-degree temperature. But now it does not matter whether they are up, whether they are down. We are very, very strong. Our entire growth is now decoupled from the global economy. We ourselves are sufficient to grow our stock market. So Nifty has reclaimed 18,000. So maybe Mr. Gautam Adani might keep moving up the charts and you might soon have a video. I'm not sure today or 6 months or 1 year down the line where he is the richest person in the world if all goes well. So very interesting times. What is your comment on the growth of Mr. Gautam Adani, whether it is sustainable, whether he will continue to remain one of the world's richest persons, or these 700 P types numbers are going to come down to more sustainable levels, or this debt might become a concern over the company's fortunes, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you.